Mad thing, mad thing.
Let me see where this man, let me see where that man I go on with. I say, oh, that I go on. I glass settings, all right. Yeah. So this year, I go to hard on them this year, you know. Yeah, this year they're supposed to get a chance with, you know, great artist song 1 out of 10, Rick.
Hey, let's not rush it now. What do you mean by you're not going to go as hard this year? Shut your fucking mouth. Please to pay attention to the live that was done this morning when I was sleeping and I got the notification from the supporters. Say Amanda my name. Now, backstory. Yesterday's live, check it out. We were not talking about anything pertaining to income. What I was saying is that you're live for 2 hours and you have 170 people. And I was live for 3 minutes and had 170 people.
You don't say. You don't say. Who was it? He didn't say.
That was the shot that I sent last night. However, that was not what was bothering him. What was bothering him is that I have been live consecutively, and every single live that I do are hit lives. I make money. Yes. So in order to try to compete with me, he then doxed his own income, and I found out that monthly this idiot only makes $7,000.
You don't say. You don't say. Who was it? He didn't say.
There is no way I can be on YouTube doing 60 plus videos, sleepless nights trying to catch every fucking breaking news, and the only thing I receive at the end of the month is $7,000 plus. Now I see why he's mad. Cause Top Ranking would be doing lives and make $3,000 in 1 hour.
You don't say.